we're back again with another question for linking blocks. The question today is, what is the difference between a declarative and an interrogative sentence? A declarative sentence, as you know, makes a statement, a straightforward passage of information, a declaration. An interrogative sentence is one that asks a question. We can see that word interrogate in there. An interrogative question or an interrogative sentence is one that asks a question. What I have illustrated on the board is a declarative sentence. The declarative sentence that we have on the board is, the important package did arrive. I'm going to remove my link. I'm going to take my helping verb did, and I'm going to move it to the front of the sentence. In front of the subject now, all the way up to the front of the sentence. And now, my did is going to appear over here. Did the important package arrive? And we'll put the question mark at the end. This is the classic way, the primary way, that our language makes interrogative sentences. It will begin back here with a verb phrase. It'll take the helping verb, move it to the front of the sentence, and we have our interrogative. When you're working with the linking blocks, any sentence that begins with pink, you will know is automatically an interrogative sentence. If you enjoy seeing English grammar in color, check us out at linkingblocks.com.